Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to enable or disable JavaScript in Safari on your iPhone, so you can control how websites function and improve your browsing experience. JavaScript is what allows many websites to work properly, like loading interactive content, videos, or forms. However, in some cases, it can slow down your browsing or cause certain pages to feel heavy, so you might want to turn it off. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, scroll through the list or search for Safari, then tap on it. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, inside the Safari settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Advanced. This section contains additional settings for more control over your browsing. Here, you will see the JavaScript option. If the toggle is turned on, JavaScript is enabled. If you want to disable it, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. And if you want to enable it again, just turn the toggle back on. Keep in mind that disabling JavaScript may cause some websites to not work properly or lose certain features, since many modern websites rely on it. On the other hand, turning it off can sometimes make browsing faster or more secure on simpler pages. So you can choose the setting based on your needs and switch it anytime. That's it. You have successfully learned how to enable or disable JavaScript in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.